gonna upgrade your instant ramen. Did you think the only way to eat instant ramen was heat it up in a pot? We are gonna transform that instant ramen today on Creative Quarantine Cuisine with Alyssa. With just a few pantry staples and some colorful veggies, we're gonna give this instant ramen a makeover so you can leave your teenage cooking in the dust. Let's open this up. Here's what typically comes with your instant ramen: the ramen noodles and a flavor packet. This is the part of instant ramen that usually gets a bad rep because of all of the processed ingredients. There are brands of instant ramen out there with better ingredients made of actual food. You could use this as the base of your soup, or build your own base with broth or bouillon. I'm going to build my own broth using ginger and miso. I'm ready to make this fancy. So I heat up sesame oil in a small saucepan, add ginger, miso, soy sauce, and add the broth. Bring the broth to a simmer and add your ramen noodles to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it, that's the base of the soup. The rest is all about the add-ins and toppings. I'm adding crispy tofu that I roast in the oven by cutting into squares, tossing with sesame oil, ginger, soy sauce, and sriracha, spreading it on a sheet pan, and roasting in the oven until crisp. My favorite part of ramen is the Jammy Egg. You can make this in a snitch. A snitch? A snitch? Is that a word? In a jiffy. Pinch! You can make this in a pinch. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, add your egg, and cook for about 6.5 minutes. Transfer immediately to an ice bath. The rest of your toppings can be whatever you have on hand. I'm going to shred some red cabbage, add sliced kale, slices of red bell pepper, leftover seaweed from sushi day, canned corn, and sriracha. Plate up your bowl of ramen and add your toppings: tofu, kale, peppers, red cabbage, corn, seaweed, egg, and garnish with sesame seeds and sriracha. Now this is what I call an upgrade, an upgrade, an upgrade. Okay, but seriously, this is gorgeous. See how easy this was to use my own pantry staples and leftover vegetables? Throw it into your ramen, folks. Now I'm just dying to try it, but I need one thing. Greg?
I'm waiting for this.
You don't have to whisper.
I'm not gonna stick my face, I'm just kidding. Can I? Alright, I'm just gonna dig in.
I don't know if this is the proper way to eat ramen. You can't fit all that in your mouth. That bite is too big. Wow. Oh my God. This and this are like completely different things.
I love it. I like you a lot.
Puka Bunny, do you want some ramen? Oh. I want my mascot baby. Mascot baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Mascot baby, she's a little mascot. Bye, Puka. We might goof around, but this is no joke. We just took our ramen to the next level. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today, but I can't wait to cook with you next time while we're all in quarantine together. If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe in that bottom corner and tag me at Alyssa Gagarin with your creative quarantine cuisine creations. I would love to see what you put into your instant ramen. Now I'm gonna go have a ramen party. So long.